In this video, I'll be showing you a very simple way to make neoprene face mask with filter. So right away, we'll be getting into the process. So you need a paper cut of 5 by 6 inches, 6.5 inches rather. As you can see, I've cut out the paper, and so you measure 1.5 inch from the side of the paper. Mark that point, 1.5 inch, then 1 inch upwards like that, then go in 1 inch 1/4, just like so, and then connect them together. So on the other side, you will come down by 2 inches and go up by 1 inch. So connect this to that side and use a straight ruler to connect these 2 points also like that. Now we're going to curve the ends to give it that round shape a bit. And now to create the hole for the hair, I'll be using a bottle cover. But to know the point to place it, I'm just going to mark ½ inch from all sides like that, from the top, from the sides, and from the bottom. Then place the cover at the point and draw it out. So now that we have our pattern ready, I'm just going to cut out with a pair of paper scissors, as you can see. So now that this is done, I'm just going to place directly on the scuba material. You know, scuba material stretches, so you don't want to place it on the side that stretches so much. So pin it to the fabric and cut out. So one of the advantages of this kind of mask is that it saves you the pain you experience from using an elastic. And it's also very easy to wear and pull out. You don't need to tie any elastic to your ears or to your head area. It's very comfortable to use. Be careful as you cut, so you don't cut into the paper. So now you can see that my nose mask is out. So I'll just close up the open ends of that round shape as I've done here. So I used interlocked stitches to close them up together, as you can see. So just like this, the mask is ready if you want it like that. But I would go ahead to add some extra layer of protection by inserting a filter pocket. And to do that, we'll go back to our pattern and get a softer fabric. So fold like I have folded, just place on the fabric and cut out that shape. So I've used lighter fabric so the face mask doesn't end up too thick. So just the same way, I've closed up that point with interlock stitches. So next I'm going to do is stitch down the edges of the filter pocket on both sides like that. So stitch down. So now that this is done, I'll go ahead to join this to the main face mask like that. So I'll join them at the top and at the base. Join the filter pocket to the main face mask at the top and at the base. So now that is already done. As you can see, the stitches, I also use some interlock stitch, and I use that around the edges of the face mask. So the filter pocket is in place, and now I'm going to insert the filter. So the filter I use normally is just the normal AC filter for the home that we have, and I use it because according to what is written on the description, it filters up to 3 microns of particles, so it's better than using ordinary fabric. And from the research I've done, it filters up to like 75 to 85% particles, compared to just a piece of fabric that filters probably around 30% of particles. So just cut like that and put in to the pockets. So the pocket area is majorly the area that covers your nose and your mouth. So with that, the face mask is ready. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also like my videos so they can reach more people, and keep coming back for more videos. Guys, please practice social distance always. When you need to go out, wash your hands and sanitize where you can, and very soon all of this will be over by God's grace. So till I come your way next time, stay safe, guys. Bye.